Namaskar, welcome to Vandana's art classes.
Today we are going to learn a miniature painting. We are going to paint it on a MDF board.
So this is a MDF coaster which is available everywhere. You can buy online or from the shops. I have used this gesso, Fabius gesso, and I have given 2 coatings of gesso on it. Now I'm going to do the background. So for background I want to give some texture. So I'm using red color and yellow color. Any red, any yellow, no problem. You can use any other color. So here is the basic coat of red which I'm going to do, but I am dabbing. We can do ordinary painting also. For that we have to move our hand left to right, up to down, and we'll have to make sure that there are no lines visible. So one round is over. Now I'm taking yellow color in my brush, and in the center I'm doing more work by yellow color. So this is our base. We'll wash the brush and now we will start making the design. To make the design, I'm using black color and I'm going to use 000 number brush. This is 000 number brush, and now we are going to make a drummer. So to make a drummer in folk art style, half dress is hidden behind the drum. We have shown some design on the drummer's body. This is a complete scene in which drummer is standing and in between the plants and playing the music. Please make sure you're taking very less paint in your brush and your paint is very thin. So our basic drawing is red. Now we'll do the filling of colors. I'm going to use this peach color. I will give a coat of resin once this will dry. You can do 2-3 coats of varnish also. That should also work properly.
Our miniature painting is ready.
I hope you like the tutorial. Thank you for liking, subscribing and sharing Vandana's art. Dhanyavad. Namaste.